Hey, let me show you how you can fix wrist detection issue on the Samsung Watch 9. So first of all, start by opening settings. Right now we have to just go into the system settings, and now we have to search for security and the privacy settings. Now scroll down and here you can find the wrist detection. And now it actually depends what is the problem. If your wrist is not detected, just take a look if this option is enabled. But if you properly apply watch on your wrist, if you remove all of those stickers that are here as default, then the wrist should be detected. But you can turn it off to don't get this annoying notification. And what is also really important, that if you have tattoos on your wrists, it also can block this detection. So it means that you will have to sometimes put it upside down, or for example switch hand from the left into the right one. And this is like the only way to fix this. Or sometimes you can also try to clean the sensors, because when they are dirty, when something is covering these sensors, then they can actually get the problem with this wrist detection.